I've been looking at quite a few of Jason's videos and how he starts his sessions, and I'm thinking, rather than music and he has a bell or some clangy things, where can I get them from? Then I was having a meal tonight and got off the settee. The plate you can see in front of me was next to the bowl, and they came together and made a noise. I'm thinking, oh, that sounds good. But it wasn't the plate that was involved, it was the bowl. So after several experiments, well, quite a few experiments, I worked out that it was the bowl that gives a vibration, and using a pestle, which I use with the mortar to grind up petals tablets, which is the dog I have for various ailments she has, it's I think that's pretty good. I started off the bowl, then obviously you have to have something to resonate along with the bowl. Initially it was the tray, I believe, and then you balance it on a spoon, an upside down spoon, because obviously then it's got a resonating, conducting metal for vibration. And depending on which part of the pestle you use, oh, that's a good one, it vibrates higher frequency. And I assume that if you mess around with it enough, it'll oh, that's a good one. Anyway, my little experiment with trying to find something that sounds like a bell or cymbals and the higher vibration. Never done it before, but I found it quite interesting, just trying the techniques.